Hey, what's good, YouTube? Today, I'm back with another snack review. I messed up because I said snack review like 2 times already because I said it like a double times. Alright, I mean, today, I'm back with another snack review video. So today's video, I got Cheez It Crunch Zesty Jalapeno Cheddar. I'm really excited to try them, but I assumed that they might taste like the normal cheeses or like the hot and spicy Cheez-Its, you know? I've tried the extra cheesy Cheez-Its before, or like the hot and spicy Cheez-Its. But anyways, I got scissors for me to cut this bag open. But last time I've been struggling to open those bulldog chips. So let's try to open these now. Oh, I guess I don't need scissors anymore. Okay. Whoa, look at the coating in there. Look at this. It's super orange. Let's take a smell. It smells like Pringles Mangles, to be honest. It smells like last time. Alright, y'all. Anyways, without any further ado, cheers. Actually, not that bad. Wow. It's pretty good. Wow. Overall rate, I would give this like an 8.8 out of 10. It's really good. It's very delicious. It's very flavorful because it has like this kind of zestiness to that flavor, you know? But yeah, it's actually really good. But anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.